How do you remove those weird scuff marks or white stains from exterior trim? I'm going to explain to you what those are and how to remove them the best way possible in this video. Alright, let me show you what these white stains on plastic trim are that I'm talking about. Okay, so what I'm talking about are these white stains here and this white stain here. So those white stains or blemishes on the exterior trim, what those are is that somebody was polishing this vehicle and they hit the trim like this with the polisher. And what that is polishing compound, and it's almost permanently stained the trim. It's really hard to get rid of. You can't wash it off with anything. You either have to paint over it, but I've got a trick here. I'm going to show you how to remove it super easy. But before I show you how to remove that super easy, I'm just going to show you something on the other side of the vehicle and how to prevent getting these white stains on the exterior trim. Okay, so basically, when the owner of this vehicle got this vehicle polished by somebody else, they didn't spend the time to put masking tape on the trim, and I highly recommend you do that. I mask up the entire trim just in case, because the last thing you want is to have a bunch of those spots happen, and they can, as hard as you try, they're gonna happen. You think you're not gonna bump the trim with a polisher, and you just do every single time. It's happened to me, and now I mask up the whole trim so that that doesn't happen when I polish it. Whether I'm doing a cut using cutting compound or a polish, I always mask up the trim, just because even some polishes, they say that they don't stain trim, they still do, so just don't take the chance. If you're gonna do a quality job, make sure you take these extra steps to get professional results. And I polished this side here already. The owner wanted a one-step, so I did a quick one-step. Obviously, I would have liked to do a three-step on this, but one step. It looks a lot better, a lot shiny. This side's completely done. Okay, so I won't drag it out any longer. The best way to remove those white blemishes on the exterior trim is just a white eraser here, just a normal school eraser. It sounds improbable, but I promise you this is the way to go. This is way better than any kind of product or just covering it up with some other product. Just use a white eraser on it and it's gonna take it right off. I'll show you how well it works right now. Okay, so yeah, you just take your eraser and you just rub it right off. And it actually does a really good job at restoring the color of faded trim as well. If you got time, you could just use your eraser on the whole piece of trim. Oh, this guy's got a lot on here. And I'll get this one down here too because looks pretty aggressive. This does eat up the eraser pretty fast as well. This is a really soft white eraser here. So these ones were actually some of the worst ones on the whole car. They were quite on there. And I had to push harder than in any other area, but it still came off and it worked. All right, there we go. It's all set up. I'm gonna do a full trim restoration on this, so I'll come back and I'll finish the job off on this whole trim piece here with some wipe on clear. and that's Cerakote Ceramic Trim Restorer. It should look really great. Okay, here it is. It's all finished. It's completely restored. Those white blemishes are gone, and I did a full polish on the vehicle. It's the next day here because it took a little bit of time. And the tools that I use just to remove those blemishes are just a normal classroom white eraser. I removed the worst parts of the blemishes, and then I came back and I used this product here to restore the trim. It's called Cerakote. It's called Cerakote Ceramic Trim Restoration, and I absolutely love this stuff. This product lasts 2 to 3 years, and it's basically the only product that I would put on trim. I highly recommend this product because it lasts so long. And I'll just talk about it quickly. I know this video is not really about this. These guys, this isn't sponsored. I just really love this product. It's super easy to use. It's a little bit expensive. It lasts, like I was saying, 2 to 3 years, and I know that from personal experience, but this is just a wipe, and it's basically a wipe-on clear coat. That's the best way I can describe it. I don't know how Cerakote would describe it, but I would describe this as a wipe-on clear coat. You wipe this on, and it dries, and then you look at it later, and you're like, wow, that almost looks like it was sprayed with a clear coat, and that's why it lasts for so long. Definitely not oily. Before I end the video, I'll just do a quick walk around and you guys can check out the polish I did on this thing quick. Basically, I did a 1-step on this one, but it ended up being more than a 1-step. It always does. I did like a really quick 3-step, and when I say that, it's like lightning fast 3-step. But anyway, I spent 4 hours polishing this whole vehicle. It's not bad, and that's 4 hours just polishing, not with any of the washing or prep or anything like that. And it's a large vehicle. This is like an 8-seater. How to remove polishing blemishes from plastic trim. A white classroom eraser. It does the absolute best. You will be surprised with this. I hope this helped you guys out, and thanks for watching the video.